Hi, you have a connected BT headphone but you cannot hear the sound, then this video for you. Click on the sound icon, then click on the sound setting. Here you will get a two option. One is your BT headphone, another is PC. Click on your BT headphone. Now you can able to hear the sound. If you want to check more settings, then click on the more setting. Here you can able to check that output of sound and input of microphone. Here for output I choose the speaker. For input currently it's in device. I am just switching to my headphone. That's it guys. If you like the video, if really helps, then click on the subscribe button. Thank you.